Bitcoin is at a tipping point. The chances of moving up or down are roughly even right now. Ethereum looks way worse than Bitcoin. Solana is stuck in a sideways market. Where will the price go next? Up or down? Time to activate the Hermes Pro indicator. Let's get those Japanese candlesticks rolling. Let's dive in. Last week was tough for crypto. High hopes for Uptober, amidst the turmoil in Israel and Iran, have turned into a Selltober. No fanciful thinking here, just pure trend following. Every day, the market gives us opportunities to profit. Futures allow us to make money, even when prices are dropping. The NOT coin has landed on the short list at the 8303 level. We're looking at a breakout entry model. Perfect entry point for a 40x leverage trade. Impulse, slight consolidation, directed movement, a whopping 344% potential gain. Drop a comment on which coin you'd like us to analyze and identify trading levels for. Now, let's get to the main event. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is stuck in a noisy range, above the 150 moving averages, but below the 150 and 200. There's a chance for growth, but it's equal to the chance of a drop. Trading level is at 62,390. Go long above that, short below. If we break through 62,390, Bitcoin enters long territory. At that moment, we'll be watching for long trade signals and riding the momentum up. However, if the price dips and breaks below 61,477, we'll be looking to catch shorts on altcoins. A break at 59,828 could trigger a quick panic sell, sending prices down towards the 40,000 range. Ethereum is trading below the 50 moving average, prioritizing short positions. A long on Ethereum can be considered at the 2,499 level, which aligns with the 50 moving average. A break at 2252 may trigger a panic sell, pushing prices below 2,000. We trade systematically from the horizontal levels defined by AI. Trade with us, trade better than us.